Hi, do you sometimes have a lot of neck shoulder pain? Just won't go away. And do you know that oftentimes our neck shoulder pain can be because we're hunched all day in front of a computer, or just because of autoimmune disease, the neck shoulder are really, really tight. So a big piece of it is we got to do some Qigong or some other exercise that changes our posture so that we can be better aligned, yeah, and be in less pain. So my name is Eileen Jong. I'm a medical Qigong teacher, licensed acupuncturist, and herbalist here in Silicon Valley, California. So let's come do some bone marrow washing Qigong with me and get all those pain and kinks out of the way. Today is day 26 of our 31-day bone marrow washing challenge, and we are in section 3 of the entire bone washing series. So let's get started. Let's go. So padding, again, I always stress, is the easiest way to get us reconnected in our body. We're oftentimes very unaware, no idea that the posture we have is just not good for us. The body wants to be open, wants to be stretched out, and wants to be relaxed. So when we are this unaware, padding's the way to go, I say. And every Qigong has 3 components: movement, M, breathing, B, and A for your awareness. And oftentimes that awareness, when we're not feeling good, when we're in pain, is telling you, oh, I need to do something good for myself. And for me, that's the padding. And I hope it becomes something you can do for yourself too. All right. And tracing. Good. And imagine the golden ball going through the front, middle to the back of the spine. Melting down. Inhale, exhale. And in your chair, go ahead and shift your weight again. Front, middle to the back of the spine and release it out. So here, let's do this piece about around the feet. You're letting your back change in shape so that you go from a C curve to an S curve. Good. And by itself, this gently let's go on with the tracing. This gently lets your back and spine shift. Rehabilitate, as you say, or rebound from stiffness, tightness. Good. And it's just a very gentle, very easy way. Yeah, it's a way for us to treat ourselves well. And if we can do something like this easily, let the breath be with the movement. If we can do something this simple, this easy to calm ourselves down, refocus our energy, why not? Good. And then let's go into the reverse rowboat, going down the outer. And as I showed you just a little while ago, okay, letting the back shift from a C curve to an S curve. Good. C to S. Good. Nice. And you can go as gentle as you like, as smooth as you like, as soft as you like, based on your energy. Nice. 3, 2, 1. So that was the reverse. And you can do the forward, going up the outer side and down the inner side. That is the forward flow of chi. Good. And let me face you again. Beautiful. That's it. And 3, 2, 1. And make the circles. 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. The other way. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe. Relax. Beautiful. Nice. So let's do the seated bone marrow washing with the rotation. Let me come a little closer for you to see here. With the thumb. 2, 3, 4, and 5. With the other side thumb. 2. Again, remember your back should be away from the back of the chair, yeah? To give again the spine the ability to shift the weight. And also by allowing it to be able to shift in shape, right? It's a message we're giving that it's okay. I am safe. I can shift. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? And then also, as I said, the posture, the neck tilted this way. You're going to allow for yourself to be able to expand. Allow for the shoulders to drop. Allow for the neck, yeah, between the neck and the shoulder, yeah, to become a natural C curve, S curve. The body likes curves, circles. Okay? Yeah, kinks have corners. Circles, spirals, figure 8. Yeah, let's achieve flow more easily. Yeah, so do as many times as you like. This just feels so good. I'm doing it a third time. Okay, good. Yeah, sometimes I have to remember too because I'm all day needling people. My neck and shoulders get pretty tight too. Okay, 3. Okay, and then internal rotation. Inhale, X, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, relax. Relax the third eye, nose tip, third eye, chin, third eye, mid fingertip, third eye, chest, third eye. Relax the low back, see the flames, and down and up. So actually today a little bit shortened. I'm just going to be doing number 1. Nice, because I really would like to focus back on jumping all the way to number 9. Okay, number 9, seated here. We've done the internal rotation, right? That's one way. We've done the side rotations for number 4 and so forth. Yeah, from number 4. For number 7, when we did the side rotations, we connected. We went and held the ear, pivoted, turned, and looked back and forth, right? And so forth. Okay, so this one, excuse me, this one is the vertical. It's like raising your arm, but kind of gradual, because sometimes when people have neck shoulder pain, you're kind of hunched up, crunched this way. What this is doing, it's a gradual shift, all right, for a mini circle, same as we did in all the different postures. Yeah, it's a mini circle. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Okay, and this is going straight up against gravity. So you want to let yourself be as loose as you can. 3, 4, 5. And you're all extended. Yeah. And when you're all extended, lifting, shifting, lengthening the side body, and reaching over to the opposite wall, your space, dipping down as you can. If you're seated, a little easier because your weight is taken by your hips, and grab. And similarly, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Have the little accent inhale. 3, 2, 3 is a slow, slow, slow breath. 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. Inhale, reaching up over. X. Coming, grabbing. Yeah. And folding down, down, down. Okay. So again, reaching up. Okay. Actually, let's say we did the number 8 and it's heavy, right? We do all this playing and so forth. That's good, right? And do 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. X. In. Reach over. X. Splay. Reach. Inhale. Up. 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3, and 4. Inhale. X. Inhale. X. Inhale. Reach over. X. Splay. Grab. And double chi shou. Shen wei. Qi wei. Shen wei. Qi wei. I'm in the chi. Qi is inside of me. I'm in the chi. Qi is inside of me. Okay. Hell. All right. So we're going to do this standing now. And bringing the chi in. And 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Internal rotations. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 5. Relax the third eye. Nose tip. Third eye. Chin. Third eye. Chest. Third eye. See the kidneys, the low back. Relax. And we're just going to do the number 1 and focus instead on number 9, which we introduced yesterday. And let the chin be heavy, guiding you. Good. And so now vertical. Let me. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. Extending, expanding, and reaching. Okay, you're actually using your core, you know, that whole idea of separating below the diaphragm. That's what's happening here. Okay, so no hunched shoulders, but just let the C shape, U shape, extend, expand. Good. And reach up over to the right, your left hand, and down. Don't go too low yet. And side onions, 4. Reaching up, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Expand, up over, reach, and splay. Inhale, good. Okay, let me show you the side. Okay, before we do that, like we finished number 8, grab, inhale. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, inhale, exhale, inhale, X, in, X, reaching up over, grab, down, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, inhale, X, in, X, in, over, good. And then let's do it again, this time with the right side facing you. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, inhale. X. In, let the core extend, expand. 3, reach over, looking. And now, third time, we can go a little bit deeper if you're ready. If not, you just do high, okay? But this is what happens after doing for a number of years. You can reach down and grabbing the onions by the side and hold it against the thighs, your quads. Good. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. Inhale. X. Inhale. X. Inhale. X. Good. Great. Stop. Double Qi shower. Shen Hui. Qi. Shen Hui. Qi Hui. I'm inside the Qi. Qi is inside of me. I'm inside the Qi. Qi is inside of me. And 1, 2, 3. Go to prayer. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Relax the third eye. Nose tip, third eye. Chin, third eye. Mid fingertip, third eye. Chest, third eye. And think of the kidneys. Good. Double Qi Sha. Shen Hui, Qi Hui, Shen Hui, Qi Hui. I'm inside the Qi. Qi is inside of me. I'm inside the Qi. Qi is inside of me. Beautiful. Thank you so much. We have finished the third section for the bone marrow washing Qigong, all the way up to number 9. If you loved it, please like, subscribe, comment BMWQG, save, and help us spread the word about the wonders of Qigong. Love to all the world. Bye.